Destiny chooses you not with a manual, but with signs and whispers that guide you toward your true purpose. Don't dismiss these as mere coincidences. Acknowledge them, delve into their depths, and you might find that they point you toward your destiny. 1. Authenticity. You're genuine. You can't pretend to be someone you're not. If a situation feels wrong, you'd rather leave than fake your way through it. Dishonesty is against your nature. You struggle to connect with those who aren't genuine, whether they are materialistic, gossipers, or bullies. You possess a special sense for detecting insincerity, setting you apart as a chosen one. You stay true to yourself and can recognize when others are or aren't being authentic. 2. Seeking more. You thirst for more. You're not content with just going through the motions of everyday life. While some find comfort in routine, you always feel there's something more, something bigger out there for you. The idea of just fitting in and following society's rules feels like a trap. You believe there's a vast, amazing world to discover, far beyond being average. Like the poet Robert Frost, you choose the road less traveled, knowing this choice will shape your life in unique ways. 3. Enduring hardships. You face many challenges. Many are called, but only a few are chosen. The chosen ones are strong and endure the hardest battles. Your life is meant to be filled with challenges, making you stronger and wiser. Your hardships equip you to guide others through their struggles, making the path easier for them. Every pain, struggle, and challenge you face has a purpose, helping you grow spiritually and giving you the wisdom to make the world a better place. 4. Pursuing truth. You're on a quest for truth. Since childhood, you've sought to know the truth, unafraid to question the status quo. While others might conform, you listen to your own heart and seek deeper meaning in life. You're driven by a deep curiosity to explore the mysteries of existence, knowing that real answers often lie within you. Like Socrates, you believe that an unexamined life is not worth living. You're on a journey to understand yourself and the world around you. 5. Being a black sheep. You're a black sheep. Feeling different from your family is another clue that you're a chosen one. You might have wondered if you were adopted due to your unique perspectives. Whether it's your political beliefs or your worldview, you often find yourself marching to the beat of a different drum. This feeling of being different can be lonely but signifies that you're meant for something greater than just fitting in. 6. Kindness and generosity. You're a good person. Despite being mistreated or taken advantage of, you continue to be kind and do good for others. You have a pure heart and naturally want to make others happy, even if it means giving more than you receive. This giving nature is a sign that you're special and chosen for a bigger purpose. 7. Inner knowing. You have an inner knowing. Deep down, you know you're chosen. It's a gut feeling you can't ignore, a fire in your soul telling you that you're here for something big. You feel like an old soul, and the ways of the world often don't make sense to you. Sometimes, you even feel like you belong somewhere else, missing an unknown home. You're here to change things and make the world better, and this calling won't go away. 8. Facing dislike. People sometimes dislike you without reason. This can be confusing, especially since you're a good person. Your inner light can make others uncomfortable, highlighting their own darkness. As you grow spiritually, your light will shine brighter, attracting love but also strange or negative reactions. Remember, this isn't about you, it's about them. Keep shining, as you're here for a greater purpose. 9. Belief in a higher power. You believe in a higher power. Unlike some, you deeply respect spiritual ideas and the powers of the universe or God. You see things others might miss, understanding that everything unfolds as it should according to a higher plan. As a light worker, your mission is to bring light and love into the world. You are guided and protected by higher powers, walking a path laid out especially for you. 10. Embracing your mission. If you recognize these signs in yourself, listen to the call. It's a sign from a higher power urging you to fulfill your mission on Earth. Trust in your path, stay true to your purpose, and know that you are guided and protected. Embrace your journey with confidence. knowing that you are guided by a higher power and destined to make a profound impact on the world.